When I coloured this page last night on the live stream, I didn't really expect anybody to ask for a tutorial on how to colour water, or not at least how I colour water. I mean, there's plenty of tutorials out there, and mine's not really massively different, but a little bit. But so many people asked one that I thought it was worth doing, so here's my version of how to colour water. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab a bunch of light blue pens. Doesn't matter what kind of undertones, whether they're cool or warm, just as long as they're light blue, they'll work. You're basically going to use these pens as like a base coat. You can do just one normal colour of blue throughout, just one block colour, or you can kind of blend similar toned blues throughout. Once you've laid your first kind of base coat down, you're then going to go over that base coat with a darker shade of blue. Not super dark, but darker. And do like little squiggly lines if you like. If you've got any kind of points or edges that feel a little bit too sharp, you're going to want to curve those off. You want to leave enough of the base coat colour coming underneath those lines though, so make sure you don't completely go nuts. Once you've filled the space and laid down all of those lines, you're then going to want to come in with a white pen and essentially do the same thing, but slightly thinner lines than the lines that you just did with the blue pen, if any of that makes sense. Remember to curve off any of the lines that feel a bit too sharp or a bit too edgy. Once you've done that, you're not finished yet. You're going to go in on the most kind of curvy parts of those lines and add a little line just away from it so that it kind of looks a little bit like a ripple. And then I like to do like little dots and a few little circles just to kind of show that the water has depth and height and reflections, and it just makes it look fancier. But yeah, once you've done that, that's it finished. Your water's complete and it looks fabulous.